Hello class and welcome to week number 3 of Counseling 524. Let's see what we're going to be covering this week. You can see the different topics here. We have our second live Zoom meeting on Wednesday, November 13th at 8 o'clock. If you can't attend, I will record a makeup assignment for you to complete. You'll find that in the assignments module. That will be due Sunday by midnight. You see your readings here, as well as the PowerPoints that have audio, so make sure that you click in on that. And then additional resources. So what do you have to do this week? We have your discussion board for week number 3. The original post, initial postings should be between 300 and 350 words. You can see the citations that are required. It asks you to watch this episode from Couples Therapy, and it talks about it here, how to do that for free. And once you do that, you're going to imagine you have a chance to work with one of the couples in the episode, and you're going to create their genogram. What kind of questions would you ask them? Secondly, how would you work to apply the family life cycle model using Erickson's 8 life stages into their genogram? And finally, describe a pattern and or relational triangle, inter or cross-generational, that you discovered in the couple's story. That's your initial posting. You have one peer response posting, should be between 100 and 150 words. Your citation should be in Gladding. And with this, you are going to consider the couple that was selected and propose a theoretical approach that you would use if you were the counselor. This could be behavioral, integrative, cognitive behavioral, or emotion-focused, and explain your choice. What else do we have this week? You have your first draft of your FOOP paper. It has here that you should be working on sections 2, 3, and 4, showing that you've worked on it and how the box should be done. However, like I said in our first Zoom meeting, and I will reiterate it this week, submit what you have. I recognize not everyone works ahead of time. Some people work in that last hour or whatnot. So submit what you have, highlight any questions that you have. I'm not going to dive in deeply because I'll do that when you submit your final draft. It does say use third person, but I am fine with you using first person. I think it flows naturally, so I am fine with that as well. And then it denotes to keep working on your genograms. You don't have to turn that in though. Finally, there is an optional discussion board for genograms, and within this you can just talk about what's worked, what hasn't worked for you. As I noted, I have found that students have problems with software programs and that it seems like it's easier to do by hand, but feel free to do what you would like to do. Looking ahead in week 4, we can see it's a lighter week, so it's really good to be able to continue to work on your FOOP assignment. And that is it for week number 3. I hope that you're doing well. Reach out to me as you need, and I hope you're enjoying class too. Thank you.